LLM as a service allows you to integrate LLM models in your application, website, or enterprise. Today, we'll guide you on running DeepSeek R1 locally and show how to route calls to this model, especially sensitive ones that contain confidential information. The steps to locally run a private instance of a model like DeepSeek are as follows. 1. Download Ollama to host our private models. 2. Download a model of our choice, like Llama or DeepSeek, for example. 3. Make the local model's API endpoint accessible. 4. Configure this service in the LLMAsAService control panel. 5. Route sensitive calls to that service. Let's get started. Ollama is an application designed to simplify the deployment and management of large language models. We are going to use it to create and host a local instance of DeepSeek R1. Navigate to ollama.com and click on the download button. Choose your operating system and complete the download and install process. Once you've installed Ollama, navigate back to ollama.com and examine the models page. This is a full list of models that Ollama can host on your machine. We're going to choose a DeepSeek R1 model and copy the install command to the clipboard. Open a command window and execute the Ollama run command just copied. After download and execution, test it with a simple prompt like 1+1 to confirm it is all working. Our DeepSeek model is now running locally. We need to make that endpoint publicly accessible. To do this, we will use ngrok or Cloudflare to create a secure tunnel to our local server. We call ngrok with the following command to expose the local Ollama port 11434. This creates a public URL that tunnels to our local DeepSeek instance. Next, navigate to app.llmasaservice.io and then click on the LLM Services menu item. Add a new blank service. Choose Ollama for the vendor and accept the template. Copy the URL from ngrok we got from the previous step, adding /API/chat to the end. Assign it to the private services group and set status to active. Give it a name and click Save and Close. Our new service will be listed in the private services group. Click to edit it and then click the Make a Test Call button. This test will call DeepSeek answering the question, what is 1+1 equals sign? You will see a streaming response and know your DeepSeek local model is being successfully called. Finally, LLMAsAService can route specific calls to specific groups of services. For example, to protect sensitive information, prompts containing personal details can be routed to internal models. Or prompts that contain banned keywords, like the word secret as shown here, or toxic content can be blocked or routed to internal models. Say, for instance, if we want any prompt containing the word secret to be routed to internal models, we configure secret as a blacklisted word and route to internal models when it is detected. We can test this using the internal chat test window by issuing a prompt with the word secret in it as shown here. And then confirm that the response was from our Ollama DeepSeek in our call logs. And that's it. You have downloaded and deployed DeepSeek R1 locally and configured LLMAsAService to make calls to that instance. Then, you routed sensitive calls to that internal endpoint, protecting your customers, your brand, and your reputation. Want to learn more? Go to llmasaservice.io.